Hey, Mel. Yeah, so there is one Stargate investor you might not have recognized on the list when it came out, MGX. That is because a year ago, it didn't exist. This is an Abu Dhabi-based investment firm launched back in March as a joint venture between sovereign wealth funds out of the United Arab Emirates. The fund was carved out to focus on AI, and it has been in some of the hottest deals we've seen in Silicon Valley in the past year. OpenAI, Databricks, XAI, and then a $100 billion partnership back in September with BlackRock and GIP on AI infrastructure. The Emirates region has been on an investing tear lately, especially in AI. The Emirati sovereign funds, including MGX, spent almost $30 billion across 52 deals in the past year. That was the highest across the region, according to SWF, a research firm. It does highlight foreign demand overall to get into some of these deals, but especially in infrastructure. So these Middle Eastern countries, they're looking to diversify these oil-rich economies. And I've been talking to sources who work closely with MGX. They say the team is highly technical, and those who know the playbook and are familiar with it, they say the goal is for this fund to really learn about how to build these types of mega data centers in their own backyard, Mel.
Kate, is there any sense amongst the people that you talk to that there's a concern that there's a lot of foreign money being used to build the United States' major data centers infrastructure for AI?
It came up a lot, Mel, the national security question. I think the Emirates have warmed relations with the U.S. They are seen really as, among the sovereign funds, quite friendly to the U.S. And Jared Cohen at Goldman Sachs, I'm going to steal this term from him, he's called it geopolitical swing states. So especially those sovereign wealth funds in the Middle East, they have a binary choice when it comes to AI. They are either going to invest in the U.S. or in China. I'm told the bet here by the U.S., by the Trump administration, is that they would rather have that money here in the U.S., knowing that otherwise it might go to China. I'm also told in these infrastructure deals, they're not getting any sort of IP. It's not like they can go in and sort of take a picture of the data centers. They're getting the relationships. They're getting the sort of big picture know-how, but there are still strict IP restrictions.